In today's video, I'm going to show you some fabric paints that were sent to me from the Glow company. They sent me a pack of 6 neon colours which include green, pink, purple, yellow, orange and blue. What's really special about these paints is that they are UV reactive, which means they glow under a UV light. These paints can be used for all sorts of fabrics such as jeans, t-shirts, purses and pillows. These fabric paints can also be used to make squishies, which is what I'm going to be making today. To make a miniature cake squishy, start by gluing 2 makeup sponges together. After that, cut the sponge into 6 pieces. Next, paint them with watered down acrylic paint. And lastly, decorate with fabric paints. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you never miss a video.